This is a little video I put together to see if anyone can help me fix my 1974 Porsche 911. The sway bar mount has cracked from the sway bar in the rear. So let's go look. I did a video of it to kind of show what's going on. So as you can see there, the whole thing cracked right off. Not supposed to do that. So it needs to be welded. I don't know if we can just weld this part back on or if we have to buy the whole mount. It's like $40 mount. They're available. And now I have to weld the whole mount on. So you'll see the mount in a second here. There it is. There's the mount. Let's play it again. I can get a better shot of it here in a second, I think. Yeah. So this whole thing is the mount, this rounded piece here. And so that would have to be removed and the new one welded onto this. Or we could just weld maybe that one piece. I don't know. That's going to be up to the experts to tell me if it's going to, this would be strong enough right here if it was welded. I do have some images as well. So that's what it looks like cracked. Pretty severe fatigue, I guess, or something broke. That's the other one there. One more shot there. And there's the whole mount right there. So I don't know if it's better to put a whole mount or if this can be fabricated somehow. That would be cool. There's other videos on YouTube here. I'll have a link in the description of people who are actually one of these. I think it's this one here. They actually show the soldering, removing and adding the other one on, like a basic video, not a full thing. So yeah, that's that. I appreciate any help or any comments. Thank you.